So guys, I think you guys all know that all these gel blasters are sent to me. Obviously, I try to help promote them, so help those sellers out. I don't get anything outside of that, but it's great that they send them to me, and that's why I do all these awesome custom things too, because I have these blasters available. I get other companies that try to send me stuff sometimes, and I'm like, well, my channel only does gel ball blasters and gel ball blaster accessories. So if you think I can figure out a way to make it work in that, go ahead and send it to me. This company wanted to send me a laser engraver. So this is from a company called KENTOKTOOL, and it's just KENTOKTOOL. And you can buy them on Amazon. And this is a nice 10-watt JL7 is what it's called, laser engraver. So what I said I would try to do, because it can engrave in plastic, obviously it can engrave in metal, acrylics, wood, it can cut wood even at certain depths. But I thought, let me see if we can get this laser engraver and I can engrave on plastic, and maybe I can figure out some cool ways to add some text to my different custom blasters. So this just kind of shows you what it all comes as. Basically, it's like put together a square, and then you've got your cross there. Hopefully it goes together easy. It looks fairly easy. It looks easier than a 3D printer, and I'm used to doing that. So you've got your pieces here, toolkit, bunch of hardware. That's the actual laser back there. They give you some safety glasses, obviously the adapter. So anyway, I told them, well, I'll go ahead and try it out, and if I do, I'll make sure to put video up. So this is just going to be part of the video if this all works out. Thanks. All right, guys, I told you, got this laser engraver. I'm going to do some videos for it, and hopefully I'm going to be able to use it to do some cool laser customizing on the different gel ball blasters that I make. That's the goal, right? So this can obviously laser engrave on metal. It can cut wood up to 2 centimeters, so 20 millimeters thick. So you can use it for like wood carving stuff too. And I should be able to use it to etch or laser designs into plastic as long as I'm careful and I do the settings properly. So we're going to see. Definitely a learning curve. Some similarities to 3D printer, but there's a lot of things I don't know about it yet. So it might take me a little while to get this perfected, or at least get this to the point where I'm happy with it. It was really easy to put together. It's basically 5 pieces plus the laser. Really, you're just putting the screws in here, 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 and you're connecting some different little plugs that go into motors and adding a couple little sensors here. Now this, of course, you'll have it laid flat, and this will just move up and down like this, right? And then this piece would move side to side, and that's how it works. So power connections on the front, a little micro SD card slot on the front. You can use an app to send images to it, or you can plug it into a computer, or you can use that little card. Still learning how to do all that stuff. However, I did run a few test kind of cuts with the app, and it works. I just need to figure out how to get everything homed properly and how to adjust sizes. More software related stuff that I need to figure out with this, and of course that's new and different than anything I've done. So just wanted to show to you, this is kind of step 2 in the process. You can see it's good sized. The laser definitely works. Does seem to smell, so you want to make sure you use it in a well-ventilated area. I'm sure when you're cutting certain plastics, it's going to be releasing fumes that are dangerous too. But lots of different applications you could use it for. I'm just hoping I can find some cool ways to use it with gel ball blasters. So again, it's KENTOKTOOL, right? You can see the brand name there. This one is the JL7 laser engraver. This has a 10-watt output laser, and this runs about $400 on sale on Amazon. So hopefully you guys like this. I know it's obviously way different, and the only way you're going to end up seeing this video is if I find some cool ways to incorporate it into gel ball blasters, and that's what I told them as well. So hope you like it. Comments, questions, post them below. Like, subscribe, share my channel with your friends, participate in those monthly giveaways. Thanks. So I told you guys if I could figure out a way to use this laser engraver to do something with some of my custom gel ball blasters, I was going to go ahead and show you guys this and post this video. Since they were nice enough to send me this, I told them if I can find a way to do it, then I'll go ahead and do it. So still kind of practicing, but I wanted to show you what I've done so far with this laser. So as you can see, I need to find a new place for it. Really, it's actually pretty small and light and easy. It's easy to just pick up. I set it on top of something where it's out of the way, and then I've just put it down in the garage when I've run it a few times so far. But like I said, I'm still kind of perfecting it. So I wanted to show you a couple different things that I was able to do, a couple different materials. So this is obviously wood. So you can see there, it goes ahead and just etched it on there really nice. And if you feel it, it's definitely recessed in a little bit, right? So that's cool. And then I wanted to try it on plastic. So you see here, this wasn't a big enough piece, but this is like a piece of plastic trim. It's been painted on one side, but you can see how that's going on there fine. So then I thought, well, let's go ahead and try it. I've got one of these old stocks laying around. Let's try it on here and see how it comes out. So you can see again how that came out nicely on there. It just really does kind of look really nice and cool. So I'm going to try to incorporate these into some blasters when I'm making custom blasters. So again, the laser is from KENTOKTOOL. You get it on Amazon, and this is the higher watt, the 10-watt laser, basically the higher power one. You can actually cut wood up to 20 millimeters thick, and I believe you can obviously etch in some different metals as well. So especially the softer metals. But I plan on using it primarily on plastic. So again, that just kind of shows you one of the things you can do with it. And I'll try to find some more and keep showing you those again. So again, KENTOKTOOL on Amazon, they're laser engravers. They have a couple models. Check them out. And of course, look for some future custom builds of mine where I try to incorporate some laser graphics, whether it's the little logo of mine or even just some other designs. I could see this really coming in handy once I kind of master it and can master placement of everything too. Comments, questions, post them below. Of course, like, subscribe, share my channel with your friends, ring the bell for notifications so you get that notification when those monthly giveaways are going on my YouTube channel and win up to $200+ in blasters and accessories every month. Thanks.